Hi, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Marissa, and I work for the County of San Diego. We live in an increasingly digital world, and there are many applications and websites that can make your daily experiences more convenient and enjoyable. So today, I'm going to share with you a great free resource called Google Pay. This app is an online payment system developed by Google for online and in-person contactless purchases on mobile devices. Before we get started, there are a few tips I want to go over with you. First, while we are going through this video, I encourage you to follow along with your own device. Second, feel free to grab a pen and paper and take notes throughout this tutorial. And lastly, please pause or rewind this video at any time if you need to follow the process at a slower pace. Also, please note that due to continued updates and changes to Google Pay, what appears in this video may look somewhat different from what you see on your device. Google Pay is available on Apple and Android devices. The first thing you will do is ensure you have the Google Pay app on your mobile device. If you do not have this app, you can download the application to your mobile device. For Android, tap the Google Play icon that looks like this. For Apple, tap the App Store icon, which looks like this. Once there, type Google Pay into the search bar. Find the Google Pay app and click Install. After opening the Google Pay app, you will be taken to this screen. Please note, before beginning the login process, it is important to ensure that you are connected to a secure Wi-Fi network. You will know the network is secure if you can locate this Wi-Fi image with a lock symbol. Once you are connected, select the Google account you wish to use for the Google form of payment. After selecting the account, click Continue. You will then be asked to add your phone number to your account. This is in order to send and receive money through the Google Pay app. After adding your phone number, click on the blue button that says Next. You will then be asked to verify your phone number by typing in a code. The code will be sent to the number you entered, so you will want to ensure that you use your mobile device's number for this step. Type in the code using the number pad, and you will automatically be taken to the next screen. This screen is allowing you to set up your privacy preferences. Click on the blue button that says Next to begin setting up these privacy preferences. You will first be asked if you would like to have friends or your Google contacts find you on Google Pay. It is recommended that you allow your friends to find you on Google Pay in order to make it easier for friends to send and receive money from you through Google Pay. Click on Yes, let friends find you, or Not now to continue. You will then be asked if you would like the option to earn rewards when you pay. This option will allow you to use your payments to earn cash back, receive discounts, and receive other promotional offers through third parties partnering with the Google Pay app. If you would like to earn rewards, click on Yes, Earn Rewards. You will then be asked if you would like to turn on personalization within Google Pay. Turning on personalization allows data and additional information saved on your Google account to be saved to your Google Pay app as well. The purpose of this option is to personalize your Google Pay experience and receive offers that are tailored to you. If you would like to turn on personalization, click on Turn On. If you would like to make any changes or turn off the personalization feature, you can do so later in the Google Pay settings. In addition to this option, if you would like to opt out of turning on the personalization feature, you can also click on the button that says Not Now, which can be seen after clicking More. After completing your privacy preferences, you will be asked to type in your phone passcode for Google Pay in order to unlock and start using the Google Pay app. After entering in your passcode, this screen will appear. The Pay screen will be the main screen that appears each time you open the Google Pay app. On the Pay screen, you have the option to see people you have recently paid, find people to pay using the Google Pay app, as well as see the businesses that you have recently paid. You also have the option to explore opportunities to earn money, discounts, and exclusive offers with Google Pay by clicking on the Explore icon in the bottom left corner. On this screen, you will also be given the option to scan a Google Pay product or QR code. For example, you may come across a QR code at a business that is offering a deal on one of their products. By scanning the QR code, you will find the deal directly through your Google Pay app. QR codes consist of a number of black squares or dots and are machine scannable images that can instantly be read using a smartphone camera, similarly to scanning a barcode at a grocery store. By clicking on the money icon on the bottom right-hand corner, you will be taken to the Insights page. On this page, you will have the opportunity to view all accounts attached to your Google Pay app, how much money you have in your Google Pay balance, and how much money you have spent through the app. To add a balance to your Google Pay account, go to the Pay page and click on the Google Pay icon on the top right corner. You will then be taken to this screen. In order to add a balance to your Google Pay account, you must attach a bank account to your Google Pay app. There are two ways you can attach a bank account to your Google Pay account. You can do this by clicking on Add Money or Add Bank. After clicking on Add Money, select the amount of money you wish to transfer from your bank account and click on Next. You will then be asked to attach your bank account in order to add the desired amount of money to your Google Pay account. The app will ask you to sign into your bank account and accept the terms of service, confirming that the third-party Plaid will be used to link your bank account to Google Pay. Click on Accept and Sign in. This screen will allow you to select the bank with the account you wish to connect to Google Pay. Select your bank and you will be sent to a screen requesting you to confirm your credentials of your bank account. After you confirm your bank account you wish to be added, you will be sent back to the Google Pay screen in order to add the desired amount to your Google Pay account. Click on Add $10 in order to add the set amount of funds to your Google Pay account. The app will confirm that the balance was added to your account when the screen on the right appears. Funds should appear on your Google Pay account within the next 7 to 10 days. Once the money has been added to your account, you can use Google Pay to pay for items when checking out online, making purchases in stores that accommodate contactless payments, to pay for in-app purchases on your phone, or to send and receive payments with others. Click on Got It to continue. After adding a balance or making any transactions using Google Pay, you can view your recent activity underneath your Google Pay balance. If you have any issues with the application or wish to send feedback, click on the 3 black dots in the top right-hand corner and select Get Help or Send Feedback. I will now show you how to send a payment via Google Pay to your friends or contacts. First, go back to the main Pay page and click on Find People to Pay. You will then be sent to the screen on the right where you can search and select for the contacts that you are choosing to send the Google Pay payment to. You will want to ensure that the contact you are sending the payment to also has downloaded the Google Pay app in order to ensure a guaranteed transfer of funds. Once you have selected a contact, add the amount of money you are choosing to send on the keypad below. Once you've decided on an amount, you have the option to add a note to the payment. After completing this step, you will see the screenshot on the right. Click on Pay $1 to continue. After the transfer has been successfully completed, this screen will appear confirming the payment. You can then click on Got It to finish your payment. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other video trainings. These videos were created to advance the Live Well San Diego vision for a region that is building better health, living safely, and thriving. Thank you, and continue to live well, San Diego.